What do you want, Sophie? You want that steak Dad has? Blue eyes.
You ruined it.
Sophie doesn't like Dad sharing with the others, do you, Sophie? Especially the cat. Look at him. All you see is China's beady, glowing eyes. She's freaky. Who's gonna get it? Listen to her. She's like, China, get away, you bitch. Oh my gosh, that's the creepiest thing. Oh, piranha. She didn't get it though, did she? She's Sophie in the middle. There's the oldest, but the shortest.
Yeah, we got the BMW right in order.
And
Back here, Mexican.
Oh, stop.
Now we just got Emily. Gentle. Gentle. Gentle.
Ah, she got it.
Kitty.